Horse?
He's sleeping.
Really?
Yeah. Honey, check this out. He's sleeping. Another Monday morning here in Skåne. Let's go. Good morning. What is he doing? Hello. You know, we just checked the board, which horses are going in today and which horses are going out. Because on Monday there's always the transporter, I mean not only one, several transporters here to bring horses and to take away horses. 16 new horses are coming in, and we've also seen a name on the board of the most annoying horse here, but we really like him as well. And he's leaving today. Annie, are you sad about it? What is he doing? Oh my god. Lunch break is over. We had wraps, they were good. We also had a 25-minute nap, which was refreshing, but I'm still super exhausted.
Of course we could have laid down on the couch because we are so exhausted. But have you seen the forecast for the weather for the next days?
Let me check it. Oh. That was definitely not my plan. But now I can see how deep it is. No, you can go. Yeah, it should be okay.
So, it is supposed to rain in the next... Oh, this trunk makes me crazy. So, it is supposed to rain in the next 27 minutes, and I exactly know that I would regret it, or we would regret it. Oh shit! Oh. So, this trunk is like... So, it is supposed to start raining in the next 27 minutes, and from then on for the whole next week. So, we're just trying to take advantage of the last dry minutes we have for the week. And not only that, the sun is about to set in the next 25 minutes as well. So I wanted to do this for a very long time. Okay, now finally. Do you want to go first or me?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah, I want to go first.
Are you serious about that?
Why?
Just be careful. What is she doing? Okay, now it's my turn. How is it? Is this board cool? Whoa! And yes, this is exactly what you should do when you're exhausted. I mean, we were exhausted every single day from work. Yes, we have never done something like that before, but it feels so good to go out, to explore, and just to do something. I mean, every single evening we sat down, made dinner, ate, and that's it. From a scale 1 to 10, how would you rate this evening today?
9.
9, right? It was really cool going out. Yes! And compared to the last evenings we had here in Skåne?
Good. It was good.
It was
fun.
better. I mean, we had fun, we were outside, fresh air, and anything you want to add here, or?
No.
See you in the next one. Oh, my head! Oh, this trunk! Oh, my head! Oh!